Hello guys, today we are going to make a program which will ask from user for a number, and then this program will return us a shape of a square, and width and length are going to be that number which was inserted by user. Okay, so let's do this. First of all, we said we're going to ask for number, so let's say int number. Good. Let's say insert number, like this. Good, nice. And let's say scene. Okay, that's good. Now we have width and length with the square. So we are going to use for loops. So let's say for int e is the same 1 and e is smaller or the same number. Okay, and e plus plus. Okay, now we have first for loop, and we are going to need one more, and let's say the same int here is the same 1 and is smaller or the same number, like this, and e plus plus. Oh wait, yeah, okay, yeah, yes, like this, good. And like this, and let's say we are going to write stars, and let's say like this, good, maybe space, it's going to be like this, yes, and here, and right here we're going to count and handle for next line in the program, and that should be it. So let's see if this works. If it doesn't work, oh wait, yes, my mistake, I was sloppy right there. Okay, let's do this. Now it should work. So we are going to write stars, and let's see if this works. So let's say 10. Okay, okay, that was fast. So let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this works. So what we did, first we write right here first for loop, and it's doing like this, is going to next line. Okay, and this for loop is just counting and printing on the screen stars in this line, which or where is first for loop. Okay, so if it's E1, second for loop is going to print on the screen in first line 10 stars. Then it's going to go in the next line when it finishes for loop, and it's going to write right here when it's E2 10 stars and so on. Okay, so we get the point. And that's it for today. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, like it, share it for friends to see it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every day. Thank you.